I've been here for like 6 months. I went to Krui. Couple trips to Lakeys. Been filming for the Laser movie mainly.
Come on, man. Come on, set me free.
I don't think there's been a trailer yet.
Okay, watch that Laser movie, buy some fits, and fucking support the boys.
Came back for the Keris Cup.
Pay for my crime. Come on, man. Come on, rescue.
Which was like a surf and skate contest. But yeah, it was a fun event, and I won it, which was sweet. The Rage part's coming out like next week. But yeah, it's pretty much just from one trip to Java. Then a few clips we filmed like around Bali. And yeah, I got a part coming out with him. Seems like we covered the most of it. Jeez.